Hi everyone, Morgan here, and I'm the Cheeky Copywriter. Today I'm going to talk to you about another fun topic. Okay, well maybe it's more fun for copywriters, but it's one of my favorites, and it's a really interesting thing that people do that we don't always realize. So we've put all this hard work into writing a sales page or writing a web page, and then we're thinking to ourselves, well, why isn't it converting? Why is nobody signing up? One of the things that people forget is that no matter how much time and effort we put into our copy, no matter how short and sweet and to the point we make it, no matter how jam-packed it is full of great information, it's not always going to get read. And one of the key elements that we have to remember on all of our copy is that we have to make sure our headlines stand out. If you scroll through your web page or your sales page, can you get the gist of everything that's going on, everything that you're trying to offer and convey just by reading the headlines? Because I can guarantee you there will be lots of people out there who are going to skip over all of your amazing copy and just read your headlines. I know, it sucks. Trust me. Copywriter, makes me upset too. I'm like, I just did all this work and you are not going to read it? Come on. But seriously guys, it happens. I'm not kidding. So when you're going through and you're doing your sales pages or you're doing your web pages or you're working on that copy, make sure your headlines are really to the point. You're really going to grab people in those first few seconds in that top headline. They have to know right then and there, that top headline, exactly what they're going to get out of this, exactly what the benefit is to the client, and it's got to grab them and pull them in and make them want to read more. And then for the subheads that you're going to use underneath that, make sure you use them. Make sure they're bold. Make sure they're easy to read. And most of all, make sure that your ideal clients or your potential customers are going to be able to understand exactly what you're offering just from those headlines. I know, crazy concept. It seems pretty obvious, but you wouldn't believe how often we forget to do this. I've even been guilty of it sometimes. I look back through my copy and I go, well, if I just read the headlines, I have no idea what's going on. So the odds are somebody who reads in that way, and that's their style of taking in information, they just skim and mostly get like the headlines and the bullet points, they're probably not going to buy it. So I don't want to do that. I have to make sure every time that those headlines are going to be a short, quick, sweet summary of exactly what they're going to get and exactly why they should buy this product or they should sign up for this service. Alright guys, so remember, headlines, super, super important, okay? Alright, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you guys got some great information from this. If you guys love this, please drop a comment below and let me know. If you have any questions or there are any topics that you would like me to talk about, please let me know. Drop it below. I would be more than happy to answer any of your copywriting questions. Alright, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.